Pleurobot. Pleurobot is a marvel of engineering that breathes life into a salamander's movements. To craft this robotic masterpiece, experts had to peek into the secrets of a real salamander's bones and muscles through X-rays. No wonder the stunning Pleurobot resembles this ancient animal so closely. The robotic salamander was born from the genius of the scientists at the Federal Institute of Technology in Lausanne, Switzerland. They sculpted the skeleton of the robot with a 3D printer and infused it with electrical circuits that obey a synthetic nervous system. Curiously, the vertebrae of the robotic creature are tinier than the actual vertebrae of a salamander. But this was a deliberate choice to achieve fluid movement with the existing technology. The creators of the robot had a noble vision too. Pleurobot unlocks a deeper understanding of the locomotor system of vertebrates. The new knowledge gained can be used to create better neuroprostheses for people. Crabster CR200. Crabster CR200 is a remarkable robot that patrols the coastal area of the Korean peninsula. Humanity is striving to explore the ocean floor and discover its secrets. The challenge is that there are fierce underwater currents in this region, so swimming in these conditions is tricky. But the robot you see on the screen has no trouble doing it. Its sturdy legs cling to the bottom surface and latch onto the bumps, so the submersible keeps the right position for its work. As the name Crabster CR200 implies, the engineers were inspired by a crab. The animal was chosen for its ability to move swiftly both on land and at the bottom of the sea. Crabster CR200 is a masterpiece of specialists from the Korea Institute of Ocean Science and Technology. It was first unveiled in 2016. Interestingly, the submersible is unmanned. Notice the presence of windows though. They are not really used to view the underwater world from inside. They allow you to quickly check the performance of the submarine from the outside when it emerges. The robot weighs 600 kilograms and its speed is 1.5 kilometers per hour. It should be mentioned that the front legs can be fitted with manipulators to perform various tasks underwater. Eelume. What if you could explore the mysteries of the deep sea with a slithering metal snake? That's the idea behind Eelume, a flexible underwater robot created by Norwegian experts. Eelume is not just a machine, but a living sculpture that mimics the shape and movement of a real snake. This allows it to glide through the water with ease and agility, reaching places that other robots can't. Eelume can stay submerged for long periods of time. Unlike humans who need to surface for air, it has a motor that pushes it forward and cameras that let the operator see what it sees. Eelume is also adaptable to different tasks and environments. It has a modular design that lets customers choose what tools and features they want to add. For instance, Eelume can carry tools for simple repairs on the ocean floor. Eelume is not just a robot, but a new way of discovering the secrets of the sea. Bionic Wheel Bot. Meet Bionic Wheel Bot, a friendly spider robot that can transform into a wheel and roll away. Bionic Wheel Bot is another amazing invention by Festo, the company that brought us the Bionic Flying Fox. Bionic Wheel Bot was inspired by a real spider that lives in the Sahara Desert called the Flick-Flack spider. This spider can walk on its 6 legs or fold them into a wheel and tumble over the sand. Bionic Wheel Bot can do the same thing, using 2 modes of movement. In the first mode, it crawls on its legs like a normal spider, but without scaring anyone. In the second mode, it bends its legs into a wheel and spins on the ground, reaching faster speeds than walking. This mode is also useful for smooth surfaces. Bionic Wheel Bot was designed to show the potential of soft robots in the future. Robird. Robirds are amazing machines that fly like real birds. They flap their wings and soar in the sky with grace and speed. They look like peregrine falcons, the fastest hunters in the world, but they are not alive. They are controlled by humans with skill and care. They have a special mission. To protect us from the dangers of other birds, they chase them away from airports, farms, mines, and power plants. They do it without harming them. Just by being scary and smart, they are the ultimate bird repellents, the Robirds of the future. Bionic Flying Fox. Imagine a creature that can soar through the sky like a bat, but with the grace and beauty of a fox. A creature that can hang upside down from a branch, and then spread its wings and glide effortlessly. A creature that can sense its surroundings with infrared vision and communicate wirelessly with its kin. Now imagine that this creature is not alive, but a robot. This is the Bionic Flying Fox, a marvel of engineering and design by Festo, a German company that specializes in industrial automation. The Bionic Flying Fox is not just a replica of a real animal, but an artistic interpretation of nature's genius. Its wings are made of thin film and lycra sheets, stitched together in a honeycomb pattern that resembles a bee's work. Even if the fabric gets torn, the Bionic Flying Fox can keep flying without losing altitude. Its movements are controlled by an infrared sensor system that sends data to a computer, allowing it to fly in semi-automatic mode. The Bionic Flying Fox is not just a robot, but a tribute to the wonders of life.